When I came in and Mark did a hearing test on me, he told me kind of where they were, but he said, you've got a tumor. And he said, you ought to get that checked out. And I just kind of brushed it off because I wasn't feeling anything. I mean, I knew I was having some hearing loss. By Christmas time, I started to feel some swelling in here. And then one night I just swelled up and I went to emergency. They said, you got quite a tumor there. And I had no idea, and Mark found that. I mean, I was blessed, it wasn't cancer. And when I come back in and question him, I said, my heavens, Mark, you nailed that. How did you do it? And he said, well, just through your hearing test, I could tell that there was something going on there. And he said, it acted like it was a tumor, which it was. I took Mark's recommendation and we bought a higher end set of hearing aids. And so as I would put them in, and it seemed like they balanced out real good. And Mark was nice when I'd come in every 3 months to have them checked and tuned up. And may I say that is an important thing. If you're going to buy a set of hearing aids, is to get a good set and then get the maintenance program with him so that he could check you out and keep them tuned up, because that's really helped me. And I would just really encourage anyone that's having hearing issues to come in and get tested. And I am so grateful for Sharp Hearing, because they know how to take care of you and how to treat you right. And they just do the best for your interests all the way along. And I'm really grateful for them.